This video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the adware type application called PoolDen. PoolDen is the adware that attacks Mac computers only. It attacks Google Chrome, and it may also affect other browsers, by the way. Mainly, it attacks Safari, in fact, when it comes to Mac computers. So PoolDen adware is the potentially unwanted application. Once installed, it starts displaying the huge portion of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. So in many cases, users download and install it totally unintentionally. So if you have found it to be the part of your Mac, check your applications, find this application and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend that you investigate the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus by directly going to the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start researching your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.